Hey, 8th grade, happy Wednesday. Let's check out what's going on today. In our current folder, week 2, let's head down to, let's head over to our task list. And let's check out what is up for today. Okay, Wednesday. Review, check-in, and then we're going to talk about what is a plan. The Elements of Art sketchbook cover project intro. I'm going to go through that as quickly as possible and then allow you to go through it in your own way. But today is basically we are going to start our plan for our entire project cover. So let's check that out. So Wednesday, what is a plan? You're going to have a sketch, which is literally your plan. So step 1, attendance. Step 2 is going to be this information. And we are going to do here, why do we plan? Like, what is the point of a plan? So this is a quick discussion. And basically, it's what is the point of planning out your artwork? How do you create a plan for the elements of art? Like, what am I looking for? You should be able to answer that by going through this slideshow. So the basics of a plan, it's literally a chance to plan out your design for a final project. So you can see this is a folder here, and the word is migraine. And you can see up atop, this is all done in pencil. This is a plan that a student created for their folder design project. So how you're going to do it is by start by using a pencil and drawing. So basically, this is how you're going to draw the plan. There's a video for you. I will let you watch that there. You're going to want to take a piece of paper out of your sketchbook because you're going to need to fold it in half. So watch the video there, and you're going to see some examples here of plans. How you're going to turn it in is you're going to complete this rubric. Let me get out of here and go into the actual project. So you're like, what is she talking about? So here is the information. This is your plan. Notice directions, plan for the Elements of Art final folder project. First, you need to decide if you want to create a theme or use your name or a favorite word. And you are going, whatever word you choose, you are going to use graffiti style typography to write that across your folder. Okay, but again, we're going to plan this first. You're going to draw that word using the font, and it should fill up across the entire page. You are going to break your paper up into 7 sections, and that is what's shown here on this second video on how to break it up. Now, if you have a different way to break up your paper into 7 sections, be my guest. It's totally fine. This is just one version. You're going to label each section with an element of art: line, shape, color, value, form, texture, and space. And inside each section, you're going to draw that element. Now, having a theme helps. Okay, that's the whole point, is having a theme. For themes, look through the slideshow. So let me find themes for you. Okay, in the second slideshow, it's going to give you some examples. So here's a student artwork from a few years ago, and she chose the word vibes, and she stuck with this theme. So she did like a VW van, she's got hammock going on, super, super funky, really cool. Each section of her folder represents an element. This particular student chose music as their theme. They got music notes, they got all sorts of stuff going on. Here is dope. Each section you need to make sure, so you can see here, somebody chose the word art. You're gonna write art, gonna break your paper up into 7 sections. You're gonna write the element that you're gonna represent in that section. So like I said, form, line, then you're going to represent that element. So that particular person showed line that way. This person showed shape. There's color in the middle. Now, remember, you are going to show more than one element, like you have color in multiple places, okay? Each section needs to be represented accurately. So if you have form, it should look 3D. That's the whole point. Here's the Hakuna Matata folder. They did a theme. This is somebody's They Are Not You theme. Again, turkey. I mean, it can be super silly, like who does turkey? That's kind of funny. This one's pretty cool. It's a video game one, loading. So what can you come up with? What word are you going to choose? What you could use a phrase like this particular student did here. It's completely up to you. Now, if this is covering your entire folder, you can see the crease down the middle, so you will open it up. But you need to create this as a plan first. So if I show you up here again, here's the plan slideshow. You can see there's the Hakuna Matata plan. All right. When you are done with your plan, there is a rubric attached that you need to complete. It's pretty simple. You literally are going to put your awesome photo here. So super bright, great photo. And how did you represent each element? Tell me, how did you represent line? Are you somebody who chose the word art down here and you did line by creating a sunset? Did you do shape by creating a bunch of random shapes? Is form a bunch of like from like pool balls? Like, how did you create it? That is how you will turn in your plan. Okay, the rubric is attached at the top, well, top of yours, bottom of mine. But think about it. What do you want to represent on your folder? This is a space for you to like really like create something really cool and have the elements of art start to pop. If you have questions, let me know. This one's hilarious, Salty. Right now, you are working on your plan. This folder project will be due next week. If you get your plan completed and you want to start on your final folder, go for it. Get started, get drawing. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck with your plan.